Hey, I'm David with Dwood Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Klein Tools moisture reader to read moisture in wood. First thing, let's get this out of the package. It comes with a 9-volt battery in the package with it, which is really nice. Take it out, and it's got a screw here that we have to take out to put the battery in. Okay, we got the battery in. It's got a mode button, power button, and a hold button. It shows dry to wet indicator here. Turned this on just a second ago. This has actually got the ability to test moisture in drywall, masonry, hardwood, and softwood. So you'd want to pick which mode you want for which one of those items you're going to test. And I've got a piece of hardwood maple here and some wormy chestnut, which is going to be a hardwood also. We're going to test those and check those out. So let's get this thing turned on. All right, it's set to drywall right now, if you can see that. We're going to switch it to, there's masonry, hardwood, softwood. So let's put it on hardwood. Here's a piece of hardwood maple, 3.9%, 3.7%, 4.1%. It's pretty accurate from other tests I've done on this board. And here is the wormy chestnut. It does have a stain on it. It's old wood from an old house, but it should check just fine. 2.8%, 2.9, 4.0%, 2.9, 3.5. So all in all, this seems to be a pretty good working moisture meter. I'm going to try it out and keep using it here in the shop. And if you want one, you can click on the link down below and pick you one up on Amazon. Thanks for watching.